Hello everyone. Today I am going to make some super spicy and masaledar recipe in an Indian terms called Tawa Pulav. It's very simple, so let's see how. To make this recipe perfectly, cook the rice nicely and perfectly. Heat up some water, add salt as per taste, add a few drops of oil and a few drops of lemon. Here I have soaked 2 cups of basmati rice. Soak this rice at least for 20 minutes, then add this into a boiling water. The boiling time of this basmati rice is around 9 to 10 minutes. Let it boil completely like 100%. When it's boiled completely, then remove the water, drain off, then cover it and keep it as it is. No need to use any spoon or anything else to stir it. Just keep it as it is as shown in the video. Here I have taken 250 grams of boneless chicken, add salt as per taste and half lemon juice to it and keep it aside. This thing you could do while boiling the rice. Now take tawa. If you don't have tawa, you could take kadai as well or any vessel. Add oil to it around 2 to 3 tablespoons. Let oil heat up, then add cumin. Add few whole spices only for aroma. Now add one chopped medium sized onion. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then crushed 2 to 3 garlic cloves and add into it. This gives a nice flavor. Saute it well. When onion translucent, add marinated chicken to it and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. Then add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoon garam masala powder, 3 teaspoon pavbhaji masala, 1 teaspoon chaat masala. Add salt as per taste. Add little bit of kasuri methi. Then add coriander and mint leaves. The food color is optional. It's up to you if you want to add it, otherwise skip it. At this stage, add some butter to it and saute it well for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium flame. I will use the butter at the end. One big tomato finely chopped and add. Also add green chilies according to your taste. Let's tomato be softened. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoon curd and saute it. Add one chopped capsicum, then cover it and cook on a low to medium flame. When you see some oil on the top of it and also a cooked chicken, then with the help of spatula, make a space in the middle of it as shown in the video. Then add in between a lots of butter, one medium sized chopped onion and a half lemon juice, little bit of chaat masala. At this stage you could add coriander and mint leaves. I will use it later for garnishing. Then add a rice to it. See the rice how it turns out perfectly. Don't add the rice all together. Add it gradually and mix it gently. To finish this dish off, add butter, chaat masala, lemon. Now it's ready to serve. Tawa pulao can be enjoyed with raitas and plain yogurt, and trust me, it's a fulfilling meal. Do try it and comment below. See you soon.